I'm sure all of you know a man by the name of Bob Marley, the man, the myth, the legend. Bob Marley had a song called Three Little Birds. Supposedly, the song was made by Bob looking out the window at the birds and the way that they were always happy and they were always singing. They didn't have a care in the world. We as people need to be like those birds. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing, because every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds perched by my doorstep sing a sweet song, a melody pure and true, singing, this is my message to you.